Thanks for stopping by. This is Ramit, and you're watching the House of Electronics. And today I have got a small video for the car enthusiast, especially who own the 2009 Aveo Chevrolet Aveo hatchback. And this is as you can see, this is the inner window trim of the inner mirror trim for the Chevrolet Aveo. It's of from the left side, and as you can see, you might be able to see the part was broken. This was as you can see, these were the two standoffs which were broken. So what I did was I made these standoffs with the help of a PVC pipe. I got a PVC pipe and I cut it up in small parts and fixed it with glue, with quick drying glue. And you can see these standoffs are now pretty strong. They are very strong. They are not coming out. So there is a very rare chance of coming out. And what I did is I measured the location of the original standoff, and I then marked the places where the standoffs were located. And the second thing which I did was I um, I measured the height of the standoffs. As you can see, this particular standoff is the height is lesser than this one, because they have to match the plane of the place where this trim is fitted. And you can see I have measured these, made a notch for these locks to go inside. As you can see, these locks fit like this. And so here, so now, and this is not the lock which will fit onto the mirror trim. Actually, the size is smaller. I have to get a bigger one. The lock thickness is a bit less. So this is a small repair which I did. And I wanted to tell you the reason I did is because this particular part is not available in India. Especially even if it is available, it is very costly. It is somewhere around 500 to 600 bucks for a single piece. And so that is the reason I thought I should go ahead and repair it, because I do not want to spend so much money for just a small piece of plastic, ABS plastic, and that too for an old car which is 2009. But then I have to make some arrangement for this to fix. So if I'm not getting a new one, then we have to fix it. So then I made this small arrangement. So I hope this helps you out. If someone is having a difficulty getting this part, or maybe the scenario is the same, that is, it is too costly, they do not want to spend so much money. So this is a small hack which you can do at home. Very easily you can make it. And these standoffs which you can see, they are really strong. They are not coming out at all. I'm moving with a strong force. So the only thing is that I need to just replace these locks with a bigger one, so that they fix in the hole on the pillar. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video and this helps you out. Please do like and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.